Hi, if you want to connect to Wi-Fi on the iPhone 16, then open Settings, go in the Wi-Fi section, and as a first step, just enable it by tapping on the switcher so it will light up green like that. Now select your network, and after that, enter its password and select this button to join. And now within a couple of seconds, you will be connected to your network and you'll see the check mark here, and here in this bar you would see the Wi-Fi icon, which indicates that we are connected to Wi-Fi. Also, you can tap the info icon and select to forget this network, but in that case you will need to connect it once more and re-enter the password. Now, also you can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here you can press and hold this tab and you will see the Wi-Fi section. So you can tap it to disable or you can tap it to enable. And also here you can check to which network you are connected. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.